Okay guys, so the market is just pushing and pushing and pushing, and it's very complicated. We did I did some along in the morning, as you can see here. I got it from down here to up here. It was $900, 990, something like that, to contract, and the market has
Short
not
signal and Q.
to push up. So I didn't like that type of environment, and though I had an electricity outage, so it was complicated. I didn't want to trade anymore because I don't want to get stuck. And if you're copying accounts, you know what the problem may be. That if you lose, it will copy all the accounts. So if the trades are not good, it's better not to trade. So I just have been watching the market all day long, how it's behaving. And if you're a customer of mine or you follow me on Gumroad, okay, so I have sent two emails. Okay, be sure to check your spam box in your email. Okay, because if you see a Gumroad email, is I sent you that information. So you should look at that information. If you're interested, just send me an email. I will be happy to send you information. Okay, so it's a new system for traders to be more efficient. Okay, so what we're doing is we're making a tick proximity for the indicators, and for truly automate the indicators with Marker Plus. Okay, so if you have Marker Plus, I can send you the templates, and if you can buy the indicators, that will be fine. And just check your spam box. Okay, so I do believe you have it in a spam box and you haven't seen this email because it's Gumroad. Okay, so guys, for today there's no more trading. The market is almost dead. Nothing is working right now. We're just, doing nothing right now. Okay guys, so I'm not trading tomorrow. I have all day long no electricity in my area, so it will be until Monday. Okay, so if you're interested guys in the system, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information, guys. Thanks for watching.